Today we are looking at an 8.5 by 20 all aluminum flatbed. This particular one is a tilt bed, does not have pull-out ramps. This one is special order. It is sitting on 5,200 pound torsion axles with brakes on both axles. As you can see, the fender is removable for you can get out of your car. This is the hardware. I've already taken it out. The straight pin goes in here and obviously a threaded one here, and it is on both sides. Once you pull it out, you simply pick the fender up and remove it. And now you've got fantastic clearance to get out of your car door. This one is a hydraulic tilt bed, which most companies do not do this. Of course, it has your safety latches here, but down here you can see on-off valve for the hydraulics and adjustable numbers so you can adjust it to the way you like it to go, fast, slow, or what have you. I have it on about medium right now, and let's go back here and we'll tilt it. Also, while we're back here, you can see it's got a nice taper, so it's easy to get on. I guess I need to unhook both sides first. I heard it makes it easier. It has got 4 D-rings on it. The nice thing about this trailer, it's a Cargo Pro, so this trailer comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the trailer. So you have never nothing to worry about. Of course, it doesn't cover your tires and brake wear items, but it does cover all the structure. As you can see, we're tilting now. Nice slow pace, so it won't slam down. It's nice, smooth, and you can make it go faster, you can make it go slower, depending on the weight of the vehicle you plan to put on it. And you can see we're almost to the ground, and we are, and there you have it touching the ground. I'm going to walk up to the end so you can see how fast, nice and slow you drive up. As you drive up, it's going to go down nice and slow so it doesn't slam. Most of them slam down and slam hard on the frame, which is very hard on your trailer. Obviously, this can go a little faster with the car because it's a lot heavier. Plus, it's got this front nice bar, so if you want to strap something, it's got this little 2-foot spot up so you can keep it if you want to put a winch or some tools. You got a nice spot, or you can put a box. This one's also equipped with a spare tire on the tongue mount right here in the front. So this is a Cargo Pro trailer, once again 8.5 by 20. We did special orders for a customer. Normally it comes with 3,500 pound axles, but he wanted 5,200 pound axles, which was not a problem for us to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Dayspring Auto and Trailers. Our webpage is Dayspring Trailers. Thank you very much. Have a great day.